Playing with words. Mastering homophones and homonyms in conversation. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting and important part of English language learning: homophones and homonyms. We'll look at how to apply them in conversation. Using homophones and homonyms correctly can add depth and flavor to your speech, making you sound like a seasoned English speaker. Before we apply these tools in conversation, let's quickly recap what they are. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings, and can have different spellings. For example, no and no sound alike but carry different meanings. Homonyms, on the other hand, are words that are spelled and pronounced the same way, but have different meanings, like bat, the animal, and bat, the tool used in cricket or baseball. When using homophones and homonyms in conversation, context is king. Because these words sound the same or identical, listeners use the context of your sentence to understand your meaning. Take the homophone pair, flour, and flour. If you're talking about baking a cake, listeners will understand you're likely talking about flour. Context is your guide to making sure your use of homophones and homonyms makes sense. Now, let's look at some common examples of homophones and homonyms, and how you might use them in conversation. There, and there are homophones. There shows possession, there denotes a place, and there is a contraction of they are. You could say, they're at their house over there. Bare and bare are homophones too. Bare means naked or exposed, and bear is a large mammal or to carry a burden. For example, I can't bear to see a bare tree in winter. An example of a homonym is wave. It can mean a hand gesture, or a form of disturbance in water or air. You might say, I wave goodbye to my friends before jumping into the wave. Practice using these examples in your daily conversations and watch how it can help improve your English. And that's a wrap. We've explored homophones and homonyms, looked at their importance in conversation, and given you some examples to try out. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these words in your daily conversation, the more comfortable you will become. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. See you in our next video, where we'll continue our adventure in English language learning. Stay tuned.